Fraser brings us to the green for Napa.
Pulling away from the balance of the field. Nick Kinderchuk trying the low side of the number 79. Not having much luck. A very quick Napa, good stuff.
Absolutely right. You can have all the power in the world. If the car won't turn, you're done.
I agree.
Well, you know that spinning the wheels is going backwards. The trick is to get the bike going forward.
Absolutely.
When you talk about handling, that's what we're talking about. Put the power in your but it's going to be a power racetrack in his opinion tonight.
Yeah, starting position could definitely close out on their lap. 7 to go for your leader. Stu Fraser, the Terrico, Oval 1, number 1. Sweeping around the outside of the racetrack now in turn number 3 and 4. Now the number 1 of Stu Fraser, Ricky Weiss, making that cushion up top, working very well, and here he comes. Knows he's there. On the top side is Ricky Weiss. Weiss looking for